Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this triangle logo that you see on the screen right now. I just made one with the regular nodes, an ellipse. This one is with the S nodes, so it is completely different than the past one. So we'll go ahead and start out on the edit page. Go to the media pool, right click, new Fusion Comp. You can name it if you want, but you don't have to. And leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. I'll get this out of the way right now. The reason why this keyboard's on the screen is because I'm paralyzed and I cannot use my hands and arms. So that's why it's up there. Click away right about here. Shift space and S star. Shift space and S render. Plug it into the media out and select the star. We go to one viewer for this. Change the copies to 3 and take the angle to -30. Now we have a vertical. Select the render, transform, select the transform, and take the center Y to 0.4. Now it should be in the center of your viewer. Right click on the star, copy, click away right about here, right click and paste instance. And click away right about here, right click and paste. Merge them two together. Select the instance. If you're not sure what an instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you've taken it off from. Little green line is the indicator they're coupled together. And everything highlighted in green indicates that it's still coupled with the original node. We're going to de-instance some things, which is decoupling them so they work independently. Go to the border width, right click, and de-instance. Same thing on a solid, right click, and de-instance. Same thing at the width and height. Right click and de-instance both of them. Now we'll make an expression, connect the two together. Right click on the width, expression, grab the pick whip, bring it over the height and let go. We'll bring that one down to 0.4. Go ahead to style and pick a color. And go back to the star node. Uncheck the solid. Take the border width up to 0.005 or set it to your liking. If you want to see this better, go to these 3 little dots here and uncheck the checker underlay. Now we can see it better. Even though we're not going to move this, I'm still going to make an expression and connect these two together. Plug the second star into the merge. Uncheck the solid. Take the border width to 0.025. Take the length all the way down. We're going to animate this with this position. But before we do that, make sure the star 2 is selected. Shift space and S duplicate. Go up here to copies. We'll add just 2 because there's already one there. And on the Z rotation, go 360 divided by 3. If you rotate it, you'll see what they're doing. That will line them right up. And you should have 120 in the Z rotation box. Now go back to the second start node. Put the playhead at frame 0. Let's go ahead and make an expression in here too. We don't really have to, but to keep things uniform, we'll go ahead and do it. But we'll leave it on 0.5. With the playhead at frame 0, go to position, set a keyframe. I am on a 30 FPS. You may have to adjust accordingly. I'm going to advance 2 seconds, so frame 60 for me. And in position, go 1 divided by 3. And with that selected, open your spline. If this is in the way, there's a little button up here, it says shrink. And then go to these 3 little dots and select show only selected tools. Cleans things up so we don't make a mistake and screw around with the other ones. We don't need to include the width, just the position, zoom to fit, select all, and set relative. Set relative allows it to keep animating for however long you want to stretch it on a timeline. Close your spline. Okay, let's add some text. Click away, make sure nothing's selected. Shift space and S text. Plug it into the merge. Put your text in the box. Now we'll set this up for the 3 dots to match the color of the text. Select shading in the text node. Pin it. Select the star 2. Pin it. Go to style. We're going to make an expression on all 3 of the colors. So right click on the red. Expression. Same thing with the green. And the blue. Now we'll grab the pick whip on each one of these, bring it down and connect it to the text. You can unpin both these and go to the text tab. And there you have your color. Before we make the macro, I just want to make sure it's going to continue to animate all the way through. And it is. We'll go back to Fusion. Select these in the order that I do. Hold the control button down. Hit A on the keyboard. Hold the control button down. Deselect the media out. Right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. On the transform, put in main controls from the center. Go to File, save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Titles. Here is where you're going to want to make your folder. Put your preset in. And once again, don't name it exactly the same. Resolve won't recognize it. Now go find it. If you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. And you can resize it a couple different ways. You can go to Settings. Change your colors. Everything's right there. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.